Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how you can create a blog post including headlines, imagery, and links discussions on Wix. To add images to your Wix blog post, start by accessing the image upload option within the blog post editor. Click the plus button and select image. You then have several choices for sourcing your image. You can upload an image from your computer. By selecting Upload Media, choose a free, copyright-free image from Unsplash. You can search for specific images such as burgers. Once you find a desired image, click Add to Page or a similar button to insert it into your post. After insertion, you can adjust the image appearance by aligning it to the left, center, or right, editing its settings like brightness and contrast, and resizing it to fit your desired dimensions. You can also add a link to the image by clicking the link icon. If desired, you can set a featured image for your post by locating the featured image option in the post setting and choosing a different image to be displayed as the post thumbnail. Please note that specific options and terminology may vary slightly depending on the latest Wix platform updates. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.